Hello everyone, I am Deborah and welcome back. I pray that everyone is doing well, and today I am bringing you another viewer suggested song day, and I went to my handy dandy treasure box, and today's selection is Angelina Jordan, I Put a Spell on You, coming up next. I Put a Spell on You was written and performed by Screamin' Jay Hawkins in 1956. Mr. Hawkins was a blues singer, and this song was intended to be a blues ballad. But as you all know, that's not what this song ended up being. But this song became a classic cult song and Mr. Hawkins' greatest commercial hit. To put a spell on someone is to enchant them. So today, let's see if Angelina Jordan can enchant us with her version of I Put a Spell on You.
Because you're mine. Stop the things you do. I ain't lying. Hey, what's up? I ain't lying. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you anyhow. I don't care if you don't want me, I'm yours right now. Because you're mine now. I don't care if you don't want me. I'm yours right now.
You all know that many adult singers would not be able to do with that song what that child just did with that song. But what Angelina just did there was solidify for all of us what we all experienced and felt when we first saw her. And for me, it was her performance of Gloomy Sunday on Norway's Got Talent. And that is, we were not just seeing an ordinary child, we were witnessing an extraordinary individual, the likes of that we had never seen before. I just love watching her because just in that, 2-3 minutes, you can just see her get so involved in that music and she's just absorbs it. And I have to ask myself a lot of times, is it the music that moves her emotions and her expression through the song? Or is it her expression and her emotion that moves the music? But either way it goes, absolutely brilliant. And another thing, you notice at the end of that song, she puts her hand on her chin and with this pensive look on her face as though to think, I wonder how I did on that test. Well, Angelina Jordan, as always, you aced it. Another phenomenal, phenomenal, phenomenal performance, and we all thank you again. And I want to thank all of you for joining me, and please do give this video a thumbs up, and please do share. And please, you guys, remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, and keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say. Thank you so much.